Hello everyone, welcome to One Page. Today we will introduce the math in grade 1. As we know, to study math there are many grades. Now we are in the first step, that is grade 1. Then after this one we will go to grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and so on. So the math in grade 1 will be summarized in one-page PDF in around 1 hour in this course, and this page will be shared with you along with this course. And this course is based on the math in grade 1 in the US and Canada. This summary course is for you if you are a mom or dad who is teaching your kid in grade 1 but is not sure what the math in grade 1 is mainly about. A grade 1 student who wants to learn or and summarize the math in grade 1. Then you can learn it by yourself, by a student. The main content of this course is as below. The first part will be place value. We will review the numbers from 0 to 120. 1.2 is about ones place and tens place. 1.3 will be about comparing two-digit numbers. The second part is about addition and subtractions. So among this area, we will learn addition and subtraction within 20, relate addition and subtraction. We will introduce equal sign, and we'll try some word problem within 20. Also, we will learn how to add ones and tens and how to regroup them. Also, we were introduced to addition with two-digit numbers. The third part is about measurement data and geometry. We will introduce length and size, bar graphs, how to read a clock, shapes, and fractions of shapes. Hope you will find it is helpful.